Sinampahan ng reklamong perjury ni Loy Villarama, co-host ni OG Diaz sa Showbiz Update Vlog, si Bea Alonzo dahil pinalabas ng aktres sa cyber-libel na isinampa nito sa kanya na siniraan niya ito gayong wala naman siyang sinasabi ukol dito. Nitong Miyerkules ay naghain ng counter-affidavit sina OG, Villarama at mga co-host nilang sina Ate Marina at Tita Jeg sa Quezon City Prosecutor's Office kaugnay sa isinampang cyber-libel case laban sa kanila ni Bea nitong Mayo. Along with the filing of a counter-affidavit, our client Mama Loy also filed a counter-charge for perjury with damages against Ms. Alonzo since the complaint affidavit made it appear she made defamatory utterances even though she has not said anything at all, ayon sa kanilang abogado na si Reggie Tongol. In our 70-page counter-affidavit, we called out the complainant by not clearly stating in her 16-page complaint affidavit the specific individuals who uttered the specific defamatory statements, making it appear it was all Mr. Diaz who made them, dagdag niya. Nagugat ang unang reklamo ni Bea sa November 19, 2022 episode ng Showbiz Update kung saan tinalakay ng mga host na napupunta lamang kay Bea ang isang role kapag tinanggihan ito ni Marian Rivera. Ayon sa abogado, lagpas na sa prescriptive period na 1 taon ang pagsasampa ng reklamo ni Bea. They even failed to show clear and convincing proof of actual malice, whether in the form of reckless disregard for the truth, or ill motive, which is a legal requirement and standard if the complainant is a public figure, dagdag ni Tongol. Sa ikalawang reklamo ni Bea, na may kaugnayan naman sa February 12, 2024 episode ng vlog, walang ginawang paninirang puri ang kanyang mga kliyente nang ulitin nila na napunta ang isang role kay Bea dahil tinanggihan ito ni Marian. Mrs. Rivera Dantes is the undisputed queen of GMA. We proved that it is a common practice in both the local and foreign showbiz industry, paliwanag niya. Therefore, the subject posts and utterances by Mr. Diaz's co-hosts are within the realm of fair comment on her work as one of the actresses in the Philippines, contrary to their claim in the media that it was about her personal life. Under our laws, fair commentaries on matters of public interest are privileged and constitute a valid defense in an action for libel or slander, because democracy would be meaningless without free discussion of public affairs, even at the cost of a few bruised egos, punto ng abogado. Kaugnay nito, plano ring sampahan ng kanyang mga kliyente si Bea ng malicious prosecution. Our clients will fight this case with courage because they have no malicious intent, and the 30 million pesos, P30, 0000, 000.00, damages being asked by Ms. Bea Alonzo in her complaint is not only unjustified and unreasonable but is also exorbitant. We are also ready to file other counter-charges against Ms. Alonzo for malicious prosecution and damages for this suppression of our client's freedom of the press and expression in due time, dagdag ng abogado. Wala pang reaksyon o komento ang kampo ni Bea habang isinusulat ang balitang ito.